Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are exploring the beautiful coast of Patagonia region of Argentina, visiting two amazing places, Puerto Madryn and Bahia Blanca. And of course, I'll be sharing my travel sketches along the way. So let's dive into this colorful journey across Argentina. Our adventure begins in Puerto Madryn, a charming coastal city located on the shores of the Gulf of Nuevo in Argentina's Patagonian province. This town is best known for its stunning wildlife, particularly the southern right whales, that come here every year to give birth and nurse their calves. But today, I'm here to capture something different, the panoramic views of the ocean that stretch endlessly in front of me. The blue of the sea, the light of the sky, and the rugged coastline made it the perfect subject for my sketchbook. As I sat by the shore, the vastness of the ocean felt both peaceful and awe-inspiring. I wanted to capture the soft waves rolling to the beach and the distant horizon. The light played across the water, shifting from deep blue to emerald green, and I tried to reflect that in my drawing with a mix of soft lines and colors. The coastal views and the city's relaxed atmosphere make it an ideal place to explore. Next, we journeyed to Bahia Blanca, a bustling port city with a rich history and vibrant cultural scene. Located on Argentina's Atlantic coast, Bahia Blanca has been an important center for trade and industry. Beyond its industrial edge, the city boasts beautiful parks, lively streets, and stunning architecture. One building that stood out to me was the Municipal Palace, a new classical structure with intricate detailing and a rich history. It was impossible not to admire the blend of elegance and strength in its design. While in Bahia Blanca, we made a quick stop to Ingeniero White, a small town just outside Bahia Blanca, known for its industrial roots and the fascinating Ferro-White Museum. The museum, housed in a former steel plant, tells the story of the region's industrial development and the impact of steel production on the local community. For my sketch, I focused on capturing the striking architecture of the museum itself, a blend of industrial steel structures and the surrounding natural landscape. It was a short but wonderful trip through Argentina's coastal cities, from the peaceful ocean views in Puerto Madryn to the historical grandeur of Bahia Blanca's Municipal Palace. These places offered endless inspiration for my sketches. Thank you for joining me on this artistic journey through Argentina. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures and sketching stories.